I took my dog. Malinka, we will stay here and hunting for shooting stars. I took my camera, Canon 5D Mark III. It doesn't matter if your camera is very professional. It's very important that you have manually settings. I will prepare for the night. At first, you have to switch on manually mode. Manually focus, like this. You must 30 ISO and 600. I use wireless remote. You take pictures. You put your camera on a tripod. Make every 30 seconds one shot, and you know, if you will sit 1 hour, 2 hours like this, you will get very good pictures. My second tip is use many lenses. 50 millimeters is better, and if you have less money, you can use this one. It makes your camera, your lens like a fish eye, and this is very cheap, only $25. Actually, to take very good pictures of shooting stars, I use this one. Yes, you see much more. That's night sky. Now I will hunting for the pictures, and I will enjoy my meat. You know, it's allowed to make a picnic everywhere in Ukraine, in a place like this, so that's why I enjoy it. Wish you friends good pictures and all the best. Bye bye.